Hello everyone, I Simranjit Singh, the marketing head of Nifca Institute Phagwara. Nifca Institute is the one of the growing leading name in the culinary art industry. It is an institute that offers courses based on international standard for cooking and baking, hospitality management, nanny and old age care, fashion designing, having affiliations with IAO, INA, NSDC, THSC, Red Cross and Singer. The company has gone with 100% placements as we have relationship with top-notch resorts, restaurants and other companies nationally and internationally. All our classes are well equipped with latest infrastructure and technology used in the industry. Training students are according to international standard. Further, in the new venture, the company offers hobby course, IELTS, personal development, short-term courses, customized courses and long-term courses as well. So I would recommend everyone to join Nifca Institute. Thank you. Have a nice day.